Every lift begins with steel. Cold, silent, and full of potential. But steel alone can't lift a family, or a worker, or a dream. It takes hands, experience, and vision to turn it into something greater. We cut, we weld, we test, we repeat, again and again. Because when people trust you with their safety, good enough is never good enough. The next time you see a platform rise, remember it started right here, with sparks, sweat, and precision. If you could build something that carries people's trust, would you rush it? Neither would we.